Today we are going to be seeing how these dockers of these other tools also work. So let's take an object, just a rectangle. Then we have we know what the pick tool is. We know what the pick tool can do. It can take and just help you keep the object anywhere, or when you double click on it, it allows you to either shear the object, okay, in any direction that you want, or rotate it. Got it? So this is what this one does. Then we have this free transform. Now what is free transform? It allows you to freely transform the object. This is very difficult to control and therefore should be seldomly used. Okay. The next is our shape tool. Shortcut is F10. We already know what shape tool can do. It can, if this is not converted to curves, it is yet a rectangle, it will allow you to work with the borders also. Can you see, if once I move this is also changing. So if it is not converted to curves, it will allow you to do this. Next is smooth. Now what is smooth? Smooth allows you to just, when you work on that particular line, it adds nodes to it. Can you see? Now when I come into the shape tool, these nodes will automatically be converted to curves. So you might have certain artworks where the line is very straight. You will see in when you start creating artworks, you will realize that when you import a particular artwork or you do something with it, the line is very straight. You want to add some nodes to it. Just take this tool and just kind of run it through. You shall get some nodes. Next is smear. Now what is smear? Smear also adds nodes directly. So this is an advanced step of the previous one, where directly nodes are not only being added, but you can also curve it. So this is an advanced step of the first one. In the first one, it just adds nodes, where here it even creates the curve for you. You can even increase or decrease the degree of curve that you want. Let's say I want a very small thing to be done, it will do it in that way. So increase or decrease the degree. You want a powerful line, a straight line, we increase the degree and you will see the difference. Okay, see, this will give you points, where this will give you curves. So that is the difference. Okay, again pen pressure. So it again depends on the type of pen you are using and the pen. So it's all very pen friendly. Now this is swirl. Let's say that in this particular corner I don't want this, I want something very designer and graphic kind of a thing. You just come here, click on it, keep left clicking and release it to the level you want. Okay, so this is done slightly, this is done in a big way. So let's say that you want to create curves in the hairstyle that you have or whatever. So you have created a hair, you just want to curve it a little bit. So you can just come here to the position and left click and leave it. So that is how you get the curve. The next tool is attract and repel. Now this, depending on the direction you move, it will attract or repel. So if I say repel, it should work in the opposite direction. Can you see? I'm going towards the left, but the output will come towards the right. In this, when I say come here, can you see it's coming down? I'm moving down, so it's coming down. If I move up, it will come up. So attract and repel works that way, where you don't want these very obvious curves that happen with these two. You just want some nodes to come in, you can use attract and repel. Then is smudge. Smudge will just basically smudge that particular thing depending on the size of your brush. So let's say your brush is 0.5, it will come as a smaller brush, and therefore smaller smudges will happen. It can go in and out of your object. Okay, now how am I coming back? I'm pressing Ctrl Z is to undo. Next is roughen. So here I'll just get these kind of very the edges are going to be roughened up depending on the angle I choose. How many I want, that also could be defined. We need to activate the object. Activate the object, come on to roughen, and do you see this? So on any line, this can be purely used to create electrical circuits. All you need to do is just come at the line and click, line and click, line and click, line and click. If you move, you shall get an output like this, an output like this. So don't move your mouse. Okay, you just come on the line, come exactly on the line and click. Now I have said 6, so 6 are coming. So you can use this for electrical circuit drawing. Now the next, so that's about it with the pick tool, the shape tool docker,